As leaders, we are called to invest in people. And many times, that investment in people comes with frustration and irritation. Sometimes it makes you angry. It creates disappointment in your life. But that doesn't change the fact that as leaders, we are called to make an investment in the people that serve and work with us. The investment in people will always transcend time, because you and I will never know the impact, the effect, the ripple effect of our investment in people. So as a leader today, I want to remind you, make an impact, make an investment in the people that do life with you, and forget for a while the irritation, the frustration, and remember, you are building a legacy. May you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.